Hello guys, welcome you all in my channel Coding by Fun, and this is the second video, or you can second part I'm making for the competitive programming for the beginners. So what you have to do secondly, when you have completed the task that I have already explained in the first video for in the how to start competitive programming videos, and the second part is how you should proceed. You just type hacker rank and click on it. And after that you should sign up here if you don't have any account, but if you have an account you can directly log in here and then log in for developers. My network is a little slow, so sorry for that. And yeah, so now you can go to any, or you can choose any programming language in which you want to do the competitive programming, like Python or Java, like JavaScript. Here also certificate for basic problem solving, right? And also on C++, C, right? So I'm doing in C++, so that's why it looks like it. So you can go inside the language you prefer and start programming from the very beginning, right? So these are the basic programs on array and other data structures like strings and just basic programs here. And slowly by completing these all programs you will proceed on further in competitive programming, and you will get all the basic idea about the competitive programming, right? So let's say the first, like array introduction. And here is the problem given, just you have to solve. Also the submissions, and these are the submissions that other people already submitted here, their answers you can check here also if you want other idea on this problem, like how can we solve it differently. And this is the leaderboard. These are your rank or other things, points. This is a discussion where many people have already commented. So the question is, an array is series of elements. For the definition of arrays and what they want in output. Let's see. Input format is the first line of input contain n, where n is the number of integers. Firstly, and we have to take the input, and the next line contain n integers separated by a space, so we have to make an array of n integers. And these are the constraints, that is the size of n should maybe from 1 to 1000, and in worst case the value of array of integers may goes to 10,000. So according to the constraint you should define the data, you should define variable, or like data type should be like int or long int if the range is larger than the size of int. So in output we have to print the n integers of array in the reverse order in a single line separated by a space. So this is what we have to do. So let's try to do this. Here they are saying just enter your code here. So I'm defining first the n, and similarly what and making an array of n. But before that I should take the input from user. That's then only I can define the array, right? Now I'm checking the array input from users. So less than n I plus plus and c in a of I, right? So this is how you can take the input for the array, and now we have to print it in reverse array. So don't think too much, just print in reverse order. So you can start from the I equals to n minus 1, right? And I is greater than equals to 0, I minus minus, just do cout a of I. So this is how you can reverse it, and if you want to give space, so that's all, right? So let's compile it. I'm also checking run code if there is an error in case. So our sample test is passed. This was the input and this was the output. This is our output, your output, right? And this is expected, so this is matching. So our sample test case passed. So there's an option of submit code. Yes, submit it to check the other test cases we are passing or not. So there are 8 test cases, and yes, all the test cases we are passing. It's clear, right click on it, and so finally we have completed the task. So congrats, one more star I achieved. So you have earned your 3rd star. So I earned 3 stars here, and that's how you can proceed further, and you can go to the next challenge and complete all tasks. So these are all the questions from the very basic, from the very scratch, and you can complete it one by one, and you will know more beginner, right? You will be in the competition with the other student. You will compete with the other students here. You can see your rank here, your points here. So that's how you can proceed in competitive programming. So I think that's enough. How you should proceed in this career, in this field in competitive programming. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much. See you in next video. Bye bye. Take care.